Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a super exciting day. As I film this, I'm really close to 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 Dollar Divas here on YouTube. So I thought this would be a very fitting time to do a giveaway because I want to give a huge thank you for getting me here and supporting me and watching my videos, all that kind of thing. I just want to thank all my Dollar Divas. So if you are new to my channel and you want to join in the fun, become a Dollar Diva, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way you don't miss a future upload. I do giveaways every so often on my channel. This is a super exciting one, probably my most exciting one to date, just because it celebrates a milestone. But I do hold giveaways from time to time, so this is definitely not the first, definitely won't be the last. So first I'm going to show you all of the items that are in the giveaway. So first of all, I'm giving away one of these bags from the Dollar Tree. It has these little short handles. This is like that pinkish shade. They have like a black and a tan or something like that as well. And when I bought these, I actually bought two. I bought one for myself and one for you. And it actually comes with a long handle as well, so you can wear it like a crossbody bag. And something I figured out when I was using mine, if you do that, these swivel on those little nails so you can actually put these shorter handles inside, which is really, really, really cool. So I'm just gonna pull stuff out of here kind of at random. So the first three items are these 3 sets of L'Oreal Dramatilash lashes. One of my favorite things from the Dollar Tree is the Sassy Chic Shadow Switching Sponge. These things are amazing if you've never tried them. Just when you do your eyeshadow, you swish it around and it cleans your brush off so you can use another shade. Then I have one of these as well already in my collection. This is the Maybelline New York Lip Color Palette. And it has pretty much any color you would ever need along with a brush. Amazing find from the Dollar Tree. And I decided I am gonna include this in the giveaway. You've heard me rave about it on my channel. This is the Ioni Pencil Eyeliner. It is so good. It says it's waterproof. And this glides on, you guys, so smooth. Absolutely amazing, and I wanna share the wealth and give one to you. So yeah, you do not need to spend a lot of money on eyeliner anymore. So I'm including that in the giveaway as well. So this is a palette I found a while back from Hard Candy. It's at the Color Story Naturally Gorgeous. I own one of these as well myself. And I also have one of these as well. It's the Hard Candy Just Glow Highlighting Palette. This is in Glowing by Night. It's just got these beautiful shades. The top ones are powder and the bottom ones are like cream. Again, this is another product that I also own myself, but it's a 3-pack of these I don't know how you say it, but it's a 3-pack of reusable makeup removal rounds. So like I said, I have a pair of these two. These went for way more money than just $1 or $1.25. I think they were in, well this brand has lots of products. I don't know if they make these anymore, but I think they came in people's like glam bags or something like that. Something like that. But anyway, definitely a great Dollar Tree find. Then I hauled these around Valentine's Day. They're the New Color Makeup Sponges. Thought they were really cute, really good for like baking under your eyes and applying powder and stuff like that. Then this is one of my favorite blushes from the Dollar Tree. This is the LA Colors blush in the shade Spice. Just a very kind of universally flattering shade. Then I have a few lip products. The first one here is from Maybelline New York. It's the Color Sensational lipstick. This is the Rebel Bloom lined, and this is in Orchid Ecstasy. There's the shade at the bottom. Then this Wet n Wild Silk Finish lipstick. This is in Hot Red. Then the Maybelline New York Color Jolt lip paint. This is in Berry Naughty. And the last item is this Hard Candy Plumping Serum, and this is in Solstice. So the rules to enter, of course, you must be a Dollar Diva, so make sure you are subscribed and your subscriptions have to be made public. That way I can see you're subscribed. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is like this video. And rule number 3 is comment down below what your favorite makeup brand is. Not only will that allow me to get to know you a little bit better and hear some ideas, but it will also let me know that you are in fact interested in entering the giveaway. And rule number 4, and I always hate to use this one, but I do find it does help cut out some of the negativity that sometimes goes on social media, is if you don't want to enter the giveaway, don't enter the giveaway. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. But if you subscribe to my channel to win the giveaway and then unsubscribe, you will be banned from all future giveaways on my channel. So I'm gonna close this giveaway on Sunday, May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and I will announce the winner on Monday, May the 9th on my community page. So if you are subscribed to my channel, you'll see it on my community page. And the winner will have 48 hours to come forward and claim the prize, or else I will select another winner. So good luck, everybody. Thank you again so much for the support. It means more to me than you'll ever know. And yeah, good luck with the giveaway, and I will see you in my next video.